if you read a book, you can retain only up to 10%. If I tell you your favorite book, whatever you've read for 5-7 times, to go into second chapter, third paragraph, no one can. How many of you understand? So it says participation, right? So we'll do it one more time with a bit more participation. Can we do that? Participation equal value. They've done a research. It's called accelerated style of training. What is it called? If you read a book, you can retain only up to 10%. If I tell you your favorite book, whatever you read for 5-7 times, to go into second chapter, third paragraph, no one can. How many of you understand? Even I cannot. So your brain is not designed, to take knowledge from a book which is applicable in experiential level. So you know what? Some of you probably need to stop reading too many books. I'm not saying don't read books. I said too many books. Because you get this feeling that I'm becoming so knowledgeable, and maybe it also brings an ego inside you. And it doesn't help and serves you because you're not pretty much applying most of the things you're reading. One book a month is enough, by the way, for ferocious readers. And you got to see how you can pick up 5 to 7 lessons from that book and how you can start applying it in your life. Maximum. You cannot apply more than 3 to 5 lessons. And this whole idea of doing too much makes you do nothing, pretty much. So coming back, when you read a book, the effectiveness is only 10% maximum. When you watch a video, your retention can go up to almost 50%, 40 to 50% depending. And when you become a part of an experiential learning, experiential communication, experiential training, experiential oratorship, your retention can go up to 70%. With music, lighting, costume, games, all that, it becomes very, very powerful. So how many of you here, you're not just here to learn, but you will remember most of the lessons so that you can apply it in your life. Excellent. So keep participating.